Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to invite your friends, your family, your colleagues, or your work partners to be invited on Trello. So it is a really simple process which will take just a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, and I'm going to teach you right now how to invite anyone you'd like on Trello. So after you're inside your Trello account, you need to search for the workplace that you wanna invite your friends or anyone that you're comfortable with on. So I'm gonna invite someone on Buy Bat. So you can see here the members button below the Buy Bat section. It is on the second last. You click on that. You simply click on plus. You can enter the email address of the person that you wanna invite. So if I click on like batman@gmail.com, they'll automatically find the people for you. It's an unverified account. You click on that. You can even write a message to them and you can send the invite. So you can even send the invite by copying the link. You click on not the plus sign but this arrow sign here, and here you can see disable invite link. So if you are new to the one or new to this, you will see this page. You click on invite with link and the link will be copied to your clipboard, and you can send the link to anyone that you want to invite via various media such as Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, anything or anywhere that you are comfortable with. So after you have done that and they click on the email, and if they want to join in, they can simply click on that and the following processes will be done itself. So I believe I've taught you guys how to invite anyone on Trello, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.